Video 780, let's fucking go. Okay, so in const macros by system within the KONAMIC section, within the KONAMIC procedure enumerations, we've added another enumeration, number 31, which is going to be for testing the PIGTILE system. Within data by system, within the KONAMIC top-level data, the static data associated with KONAMIC, within our lookup table A through Z, so we do the Konami code and then we press A through Z to invoke some type of debug functionality, we have added that procedure enumeration right here, and that means it's associated with the U key because it's the 20th entry, and if we're indexing our letters A through Z, start counting at 0, then U is the index 20. Let's go to the next section. So in PIGTILE, I realize I fucked some stuff up. So down here in our little helper function, I thought that this memory region was 128 by 128. This is actually a 512 by 512 memory region. And that's a problem, because that means in some areas of code, I think this is one thing, and then in other areas of the code, I think it's another thing. That's going to cause some fucking problems. So we're going to have to go back through this code and fix whatever we fucked up. But here's the error checking code that got tripped, right? I was making sure this magnitude was 128 by 128, but it should actually be 512 by 512. We're not going to fix it right now, because that means we've made a whole bunch of bad assumptions, and we have to review the whole entire function. We've added some logging function because I was getting this error. So I don't write logging function unless I get an error. I was getting an error. Okay, so in PIGTILE Gen KD7, I was just reviewing stuff. Nothing changed here. Okay, so in KONAMIC, the KONAMIC function section, within the KONAMIC EVT key, where we're sniffing the keyboard events and seeing if the Konami codes are pressed, within the terminal key part, if the enumeration procedure is the PIGTILE enumeration, we're going to run our PIGTILE code, and we're also going to log a message showing us how to save this off to texture memory. And then right here, we added some tags to find this pixdump run area, because I want to use it later. And then we're out of time. So here's what we did previously, and then footnotes and stuff. So if you want a longer explanation, go to Ninja Playlist 8. You're on Kanji Playlist 8. There's ways of getting a hold of me and source code down here. Like and subscribe. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It is called Atomic IV MMO, and my name is Kanji Coder. You need to like and subscribe.